Hey there, ESL 201 students. We're going to briefly talk about how to write a process paragraph. And that's kind of funny because a process paragraph is a paragraph that tells you how to do something. So this mini presentation is a process presentation. So again, a process paragraph. You discuss the steps of a process. You tell your reader how to do something. It's going to follow the same basic structure of a paragraph that we've already learned. You'll have a topic sentence with a topic and controlling idea. You'll want 3 to 4 supporting ideas. And each supporting idea needs 1 or 2 sentences with more information, such as an explanation, a detail, or an example. And then you want a concluding sentence. So how do process paragraphs differ from the logical division paragraphs that we did in the previous module? Well, for the introductory sentence, you always want to give a brief introduction to the topic. Again, you might want to ask a question, tell a story, or define a term. These are sometimes called a hook, where you're grabbing the reader's interest. These are not always necessary. You're always going to want a controlling idea, but for a process paragraph, that controlling idea is going to be telling your reader about the steps involved in doing a process. The supporting ideas have to be in a particular order because once again, you're telling them how to do something, and the conclusion should give the final result of that process. What about creating unity, which we've talked about a little bit before? Well, as always, you want to stay focused on the topic and the steps. You don't want to go off topic. You don't want to go down a little garden path. Try to be as clear as possible. And remember, it's just one paragraph, a single paragraph. So make sure you choose a topic that is reasonable for just one paragraph. If it looks like you're taking off too big a bite, too much to chew, so to speak, you might need to write more than one paragraph, or for the sake of this class, focus and narrow down your topic sentence so that it is manageable within the length of a regular paragraph. Also, we know that coherence is important to help the reader understand. So you're going to want to use a lot of nice signal words, such as first, second, third, finally, after, next, later. These are often chronological markers or signals, all right? And these can help your reader understand what happens in what order. All right, so pause the presentation for a second and look at this sample paragraph that we've got here, and then look at the 7 questions that are underneath. Once you've had a chance to read the paragraph to yourself and answer the 7 questions, start this recording right back up and check your answers. Okay, so what have we got? We see, have you ever dreamed about giving a fabulous dinner party? Imagining friends enjoying a great meal and conversation at your home? All right, well, this is an introductory sentence or a hook. Again, it's just something to get your reader thinking about the topic or to grab their interest. The next sentence is our topic sentence. Whether you're an experienced host or a novice party planner, there's a great deal of preparation required in order to have a successful dinner party. And here, dinner party is our topic. All right, and the controlling idea is the preparation that is required. Now, if you notice from there, it's giving us the steps. First, you must decide on the logistics of the party. You need to know who will be there and when it will be. After you decide on a date and the guest list, you need to pick a theme. Will you have an Asian-inspired feast, an American barbecue, or a Latin fiesta? When you have decided on the theme, you can begin to create a menu. The menu should include items you can make a few days before and some quick items you can put together in a snap the night of the party. 2 days before the party, you should make sure your home is prepared for guests. Do you have the food and other supplies you need? Finally, the night of the party, make sure you have enough time to prepare yourself before the guests arrive. Create a schedule so that you can plan your time in the kitchen and your time to get dressed. All of these steps ensure that you will be a relaxed and carefree host, a clear indication of a successful dinner party. So again, these things that we saw in blue, first, after, when, These are time words that introduce steps in the process. And then this very last sentence, all of these steps ensure. This is our conclusion. So again, it's letting us know what the finished product is. All right, so now that you've seen a sample process paragraph, you'll get a chance to be writing your own later on in this module.